finally, a home that's made for family living.
Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream residence in the prestigious Smokey Vale community overlooking the city. This stunning two-story home boasts 4 spacious bedrooms and 5 elegant bathrooms, perfect for a family seeking both luxury and comfort. As you arrive, a grand double-swing electronic gate, anchored by stately concrete columns, opens to reveal a remote-controlled double garage and a beautifully paved walkway and driveway. The ground floor invites you to a warm and inviting living room. This floor also includes a bedroom, a bathroom, helper's quarters, a powder room, a storeroom, and a laundry room, ensuring ample space and convenience for your family. Ascend the tiled stairwell, adorned with a tasteful mild steel bar and timber handrail to the upper floor. Here you will find a cozy family room, a serene study, and the luxurious master bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom and a private patio. 2 additional bedrooms and bathrooms complete this level, providing comfort and privacy for everyone. Step onto the balcony and take in the breathtaking city views. This 6,022 square feet house sits on 0.41 acres of land. Call today to view this mansion. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 80 million or US, $502,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.